Assalamu alaikum, this is your teacher Fayaz Ahmed, and today is the first class of the new session. And today I will explain the first chapter of the Level Metric English book. And the first chapter basically consists of one beautiful poem, and the name of this poem is The Voice of God. So let's take a brief introduction of this poem. Actually, this poem is written by one of the most popular poets of the West, that is Lewis I. Newman. He was born in Providence, Rhode Island, in United States of America in 1893, and he was died in 1972. He studied at Brown University, and after his doctorate he became lecturer at Columbia. He is the author of many books on religious subjects. Basically, since his childhood, he was quite religious. Since the reflection of his religious bent of mind is present in his poems. So, The Voice of God is one of those poems, one of the masterpiece of his poetry. And in this poem he has expressed his religious mindset, his thinking, his scholarly approach. Now this poem is all about the search of God, that where is the existence of God. So the poem starts as: I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, Go down again, I dwell among the people. So the explanation of this poem is that the poet is actually in the search of God, and in the search of God he actually wanted to find and hear the voice of God. And it is a simple approach that commonly whenever somebody thinks of the God, he normally look up to the sky. So that is why he climbed the topmost steeple in order to hear the voice of God. Whereas the steeple is the topmost part of the religious building. So as you know that Lewis I. Newman was born in 1893. So at that time the tallest building in the town was usually a religious building, that is that can be a church. So basically he climbed the topmost steeple. When he reached there, God declared, Go down again, I dwell among the people. So God said that if you want to search me, if you want to observe me, if you want to meet me, if you want to show your expression, show your love towards me, then you have to go down and you have to live among the people, you have to mingle among the people, you have to mix among the people, you have to help the people, you have to start service for the people, just guide the people, just help the people and help the whole mankind. So this is the message of this poem, and that if anyone wants to just search the God to find out the voice of God, then he need to do just a one thing, that to do the service of the people. So I hope that you have got the message of this poem, and now it is your homework to just do the exercise, write the summary and write the words meaning of this poem. So thank you very much for today. Allah Hafiz.